In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust transparency of elements in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the transparency control and how to use it to fine-tune the look of your design. Start by opening your project in Canva and looking for the specific element you want to make more transparent. This can be anything on your canvas: an image, a shape, a sticker, a photo, or a text box. The key is to make sure that element is selected. When you click on it, you'll notice a toolbar appear along the top of the editor. That toolbar is where you'll find all of the quick controls for the selected item. In that toolbar, look for the checkered black and white icon. That checkered pattern represents transparency. Click it to open the transparency control. You'll see a simple slider appear, usually showing a percentage. Dragging the slider to the left makes the element more see-through, while dragging it to the right makes it more solid. At 100%, the element is fully opaque. As you lower the percentage, it blends more with whatever is behind it. As you adjust, watch the canvas in real time to see how your element interacts with the layers beneath it. This is especially useful if you're placing text over photos, creating subtle watermarks, or softening background shapes so they don't compete with your main content. Small incremental changes, like moving from 100% down to 80% or 70%, often create a clean, professional look without making the element disappear. If you don't immediately see the checkered icon, make sure the correct element is selected. For some items, you may need to click the 3-dot more option in the toolbar to reveal additional controls, including transparency. Canva's interface can vary slightly depending on the element type and your screen size, but the transparency control will always be tied to that checkered icon. A couple of helpful tips as you work. Use transparency to create depth and hierarchy, guiding the viewer's eye to the most important parts of your design. If you go too far and want to reset, you can drag the slider back to 100%, or use the undo button to step back. Also, remember that transparency affects how colors blend, so the result may look different depending on the background behind your element. When you're happy with the look, simply click away from the slider or the element to continue designing. That's all there is to it. Select the element, click the checkered transparency icon in the top toolbar, and adjust the slider until it looks just right.